you ready, bud? Starting line's right here.
Yeah, because he's five.
Hopscotch, you're just gonna go like this. In each one of the rungs of the ladder. Okay? You can do it? I think you can.
Just go fast, man. You got another try to go.
Set. Go.
There you go. Good job, bro.
That's good.
48.28 right here. 48.18. Okay, who's next?
Good job.
Mr. Newman?
It's not my turn.
No, it's not your turn.
Why?
Because it's not, son. It's someone else's turn. Just wait your turn. Run. There you go. Yay.
If you are a junior,
Come on, come get in line.
15 years of age and younger,